My name's Andrea and I work at Brighton Sussex Medical School, and my area of expertise is hematological malignancies, in particular interest in chronic lymphocytic leukemia and acute myeloid leukemia.
And my name's Chris Pepper, and I'm Professor of Cancer Research, again at Brighton and Sussex Medical School. And for those of you who are a little bit slow on the uptake, we're a husband and wife team. So I work for Andrea.
Both of us lost our fathers to cancer, mine to pancreatic cancer, and Chris to chronic lymphocytic leukemia, which is one of the diseases we research. So that's what that helps the passion, that makes us, drives us more, doesn't it?
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Because they were people who were so important in our lives.
Yeah, without a doubt. Andrea and I relocated to Brighton and Sussex Medical School in 2017. Our research is all focused around trying to understand blood cancers, so leukemias and lymphomas. And really our research focuses on two main areas, really. Understanding the biology of the tumour. And then the other side of what we're doing is trying to develop new drugs that are based around our knowledge of the tumour. So when we first arrived at Brighton and Sussex Medical School, it was very obvious to us that we didn't have a critical piece of equipment that we needed to keep our research cutting edge. And Sussex Cancer Fund helped us to purchase a state-of-the-art piece of equipment called a flow cytometer.
And we wouldn't have made the strides forward that we have made if we didn't have that piece of kit. One of the key objectives of the Sussex Cancer Fund is to fund young clinical academics to do research. And when we came to Brighton Sussex Medical School, one of our priorities was to try and find a young clinical academic to join our team. And we found Dr. Elaine Ely-Dick, who was a really bright and enthusiastic clinician. And thanks to the Sussex Cancer Fund, they funded her for a 3-year project with us. It's essential that we have these clinicians because they are the link between the science and the patients, and they make sure that the patients always stay at the forefront of the research.
So Andrea and I are incredibly grateful to all the supporters of the Sussex Cancer Fund. Thank you ever so much.